In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly convert your presentations from LibreOffice Impress to Microsoft PowerPoint format. This process ensures that your slides maintain their integrity and are ready to be shared with anyone using Microsoft's popular presentation software. First, let's get started by opening LibreOffice Impress. On your computer, you'll find the LibreOffice icon. Give it a double click. This will bring you to the LibreOffice Start Center, where you'll see a series of options to choose from. Here, you'll want to click on Impress Presentation. Now you can open an existing presentation you've been working on, or if you're starting from scratch, you can go ahead and create a new one. Now that you have your presentation open, it's crucial to check that your fonts and layouts are compatible for conversion. A good practice is to stick to common fonts, such as Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. These fonts are widely used and tend to render reliably when you switch to PowerPoint. It's best to avoid using rare or unique fonts since they may not display correctly once you've converted your file. Also, when it comes to animations and transitions, simplicity is key. Not every effect will convert perfectly from Impress to PowerPoint, so keeping things straightforward will help maintain the presentation's professional appearance. Once your presentation is set, it's time to save it in the PowerPoint format. Head up to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down options, select Save As. You'll see a list of formats in the Save As Type drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to choose Microsoft PowerPoint 2007-365 PTX. This format is compatible with all modern versions of PowerPoint. Don't forget to enter a file name that you'll easily recognize and select a location on your computer where you want to save this newly converted file. After clicking Save, you might encounter a message warning you that certain features may not be supported in the .pptx format. If you see this, click Keep Current Format to proceed with the conversion. Finally, let's test the file in Microsoft Office 365 to ensure everything looks just right. Locate the .pptx file you've just saved and open it in PowerPoint 365. It's important to review your slides to make sure all text formatting is as you expected. Ensuring that your content is still accurately represented will help avoid any surprises during your presentation. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to convert your presentations from LibreOffice Impress to Microsoft PowerPoint format, making sure everything stays picture perfect. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!